Hey guys, we're back again and we bet that you guys missed us. And today we are going to be unboxing baby high chairs. If you guys are wondering why we are unboxing baby high chairs, it's because we have two baby twin sisters. I hope you guys noticed that because in a lot of our videos you can't guys see them because we never mentioned them in our videos before. Anyway, let's get started. So now we have received our sister's high chairs. We're gonna unbox them. I really wonder what they look like. Let's start unboxing them. We're gonna start with this one first. Because that's one inside. Now let's start. I really wonder what they look like. I'm curious. Let's start opening it. Let's pull this out. It's heavy. Yeah, let's put it down. Yeah. Here we go. Now let's pull them out. Whoa. It's huge. I'll put the box on the side. Let's take it out of its bag now. We're going to turn it around. Whoa, here they look like. This is what they look like in the package. Can you pull the bag out? There's so many things, so we're going to put some of the items they come with to the side for now. And set up the high chair. Whoa. What's this? Oh, the instructions. Let's set it up. It's you. Pick me inside. There we go. Here we go. We got the high chair. It's beautiful. This is how you put this stuff on. This is beautiful. I really love the design. I think the logo is COSCO for how the brand name is. Down here we have the legs. The tray has a spot for some water bottles. I really love the design. They're beautiful. Now let's see what these items are. I don't know. Let's start opening it then. Oh, there's something here. Right there. Here we go. Got it open. Whoa. I love satisfying stuff. Yeah. Wrapping bags. Wait, I think I know what this is. Oh, I think that's the leg piece that goes down there. So let's see if we can connect the leg. What is this one? I think this is the leg piece. I think it goes here somewhere. I think it goes here. No? Well, we're gonna figure it out later. It's really confusing. You have the legs. Stand right here each corner. Let's see. Let's open it. I think they come with screws because there's these on the legs. I think I found them. Oh, here's the leg piece. One of them. They're huge in the picture. I think they go this way. I don't really know what they are. It's not what they look like. Here there are screws on this one. One screws. Oopsies. Here we go. 4 screws. It looks like this is how you assemble it. Well, these are what the screws look like. They're really long. Let's try if we can screw them on. Yeah, let me go get the screwer. I got the screwer. I don't think this is a Ziploc bag. It's ripping apart. Here we go. How about you assemble 2 sides of the legs and I assemble other 2 sides? How about I can't do it? I'll help you out. I'll start with the first one. Here we go with the first screw. Let's see how you assemble this. Where are the instructions? Here we go. Let's look at the I found it. I know how to do it. Good. Let's just see this two piece. The tray goes to C. So height. Here are the instructions. So A, that's the high chair frame. C, fortress. Okay, I'm gonna try helping you. I did it. There we go. The first screw. I think I can assemble it while you work on the legs. There we go. It looks like I'm the brain man. on the C where it says the forest. I'm working on the screws, not that hard actually. I think it goes here. It's really easy once you learn how to be an engineer. Oh, I think so too. I think you got it. Oh, I think you don't got it. Nope. Now we're done assembling the first baby high chair. We're going to move on to the second one. Ready? Let's get started. It's like this. Put it down as usual. Keep it right there. Now ready? I'll pull it out. Put it out. I'm going to put it back. Box over there. I'm going to get it out of the bag. Ready? Let's put it back here. Now pull it out. I'll put the bag right there. We have some of the pieces to assemble it again. We're going to put it right here. Let's open it. I think it's pretty much the same thing because we got the same exact high chairs. Oh, I'm close. There we go. Oh, and we're opening the box. Let's make sure it's, there we go. For that clip. There we go. We got it ready. We want it the same. Well, let's assemble it now. I'll assemble this. Where are the screws? I don't think it came with screws. Oh, I'll go back there. If it didn't come with screws, the high chair wouldn't be complete. Yeah. One thing, I think the bag looks like McDonald's Happy Meal toys. Yeah, because they're really hard to open. And these McDonald's Happy Meal toys actually come up with lines. Yeah, let's go. Now assemble it just like we assembled the other. So I got some steel first. And let's just see if we can assemble this one like we did the other. There we go. I got it. And push it in. Now that we are done assembling both of our baby high chairs, it's time for us to introduce you to our baby sisters. They're really cute. Yeah. And they just turned 11 months today. After one more month, they're going to be 1 year old. Here are our sisters. Their names are Iman and Noor. This one is Noor, and that one is Iman. We will feed them now to see how they will act in their new high chairs. I forgot a lot. I think you like them. Go ahead, eat it. Let's see what they think.
She's not eating hers.
She just threw hers.
Aww. She's not eating it. She's smushing it.
Looks like Noor likes her new high chair.
Whoa.
Well, I think she didn't notice hers, so I think she did. No, we're not gonna throw. Okay, Iman. Like in your mind, think that you're a principal. You're sitting on your desk, but think that like you don't have a computer. You're just eating food, waiting for patients. I like how he smushed it. Eat it. Don't smush it. Well, we really like the COSCO brand high chairs, and my sisters, I think they really like it too. They're gonna get used to it soon. Well, thanks for watching our video, guys. Please subscribe and hit the bell for more videos, and also give a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.